Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Welcome to the 1-month Python programming tutorial. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some programming experience, this guide is designed to help you learn Python from scratch and build a solid foundation in just 1 month. Each week we'll focus on specific topics, and you'll find code examples to practice and reinforce your understanding. Install Python. Hello world. Variables. Data types. Basic operations. Conditional statements. Loops. Defining functions. Return statements. Lists. Dictionaries. Tuples. Sets. File handling. Exception handling. Classes and objects. Inheritance. Explore libraries. Web development frameworks. Choose a project. Review. Congratulations! You've completed the 1-month Python tutorial. Continue practicing, explore more advanced topics, and build real-world projects to enhance your skills. Happy coding! ChatGPT